internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 791 remains in effect until 9 p.m. for the following county: Newcastle County, Delaware, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware. The following is a flash flood. The flash.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Pooles Island, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Pooles Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, the Catskill River including Baltimore Harbor until 7 p.m. At 5:28 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots from 9 nautical miles northwest of Gunpowder River to 7-foot moves, moving northeast at 5 knots. This line of thunderstorms will be near Dundalk Marine Terminal, Eros Point, 7-foot moves, Hard Miller Island, Gunpowder River, Pooles Island, wind gusts of at least 34 knots. Locally high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. Southeastern Mercer County in central New Jersey, southwestern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, south central Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, north central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey until 6:30 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Green Ridge, or 14 miles southeast of Trenton, and moving north at 15 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Green Ridge around 5:35 p.m., then lays down around 5:45 p.m., Allentown, and 7 miles west of Clarksburg around 5:50 p.m., Roosevelt around 6 p.m., Twin Rivers in the Windsor around 6:10 p.m., Edinburgh and Hightstown around 6:15 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Friday evening for northern Delaware.